2018 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacity. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, power windows, CD player, power brakes, power door locks, trip computer, power locks, console, power seat, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, power mirrors, towing package, steering wheel controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.